Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add music on Instagram notes. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on message icon. After that, you can see the option of note. Tap on it. Next, below it, you can see the option of music icon. Tap on it. After that, select music of your choice. Then select the part of music which you want to add on your note. After that, you can see the option of tick. Tap on it. Next, tap on share. So, this is how you can add music on Instagram notes. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.